Insert the robot tray into the chassis of the trolley. And use for M5*12 combination screws to fix the robot tray on the chassis of the trolley. Next, install the welding machine module. Place the water tank on the bottom plate of the trolley. At the front end, fix it with 2 water tank positioning plates and 6 M5*12 combination screws. At the rear end, fix it with 4 M5*12 combination screws. Place the welding machine on the water tank. And fix it with the screws that come with the water tank. Plug the water tank power cord at the rear end of the water tank into the welding machine. Install the gas cylinder fixing frame on the chassis of the trolley behind the welding machine. Fix it with 4 M5*12 combination screws. Place the wire feeder support plate on top of the welding machine. At the front end, fix it with 2 M10*20 combination screws. At the rear end, fix it with 2 M5*12 combination screws on the gas cylinder fixing sheet metal. Place the wire feeder on top of the welding machine. Connect the positive cable of the wire feeder to the welding machine power supply. Plug in the communication cable of the wire feeder. According to the color of the water pipe, plug in the corresponding water pipe interface. Then, install the power distribution box module. Use 5 M5*12 combination screws to install the control box fixing column on the chassis of the trolley. Connect the welding communication line at the rear of the welding machine. Then connect the power cord of the welding machine. Next, install the robot module. Install the robot body on the magnetic base with the screws that come with it at the factory. Put the robot control box into the electric control cabinet. Insert the communication cable of the robot body and the cable of the emergency stop button from the left side of the electric control cabinet. Next, install the robot and peripherals. First, remove the 4 screws on the shell. After opening it, take out the smart tool. Use 4 M6*12 screws to fix the end connector to the end of the robot flange. Then install the smart tool shell. Use 4 M6*12 screws to fix the welding gun flange on the end of the smart tool. Remove the screws around the sensor and take out the upper cover of the sensor. Install the upper cover of the sensor under the welding gun tooling with 4 self-provided screws. Then install the sensor body and tighten the screws around it. Connect the smart tool communication cable to the 485 communication port at the end of the robot. Then connect the communication cable of the force sensor. Install the sensor auxiliary dragging support under the sensor. Insert the welding gun into the welding gun tooling and lock the front screw. Connect the tail of the welding gun to the wire feeder. Next, log into the web teaching interface to configure peripherals. Select Initial Settings, Peripherals. Select and choose Compatible Equipment. For the equipment type, select the Extended I/O device. For the manufacturer, select FR. For the type, select Smart Tool Plus GZCX. Click Clear and configure in sequence. Click Force Sensor Reset to activate. Open FT on the right side. If there is a sensor value display, the activation is successful. Click Remove 0 point for 0 point correction. Next, set the reference coordinate system of the sensor. By setting the RC value, rotate the sensor coordinate system to be consistent with the default TCP direction of the robot. Click Auxiliary Applications and turn on Drag Lock. Select Status Switch. After selecting Enable, click Apply. Next, we will show you the use of Smart Tool and Force Sensor.